Illuminate your life with SpellBrite. SpellBrite is a system of customizable, interchangeable, rearrangeable, click-together LED letters that look like neon but are a fraction of the cost. And you can't do this with neon. Still works. The best thing about SpellBrite is you're never locked into the same look. You can change SpellBrite and rearrange it over and over again to fit your every mood and your every need. As the seasons change, so can your SpellBrite. You can't do that with neon either. The possibilities are endless, and the reaction we've gotten has been amazing. There's just one thing. It only comes in red. For now. With your support, we're gonna change that. Introducing new SpellBrite colors. SpellBrite Blue, SpellBrite Green, and SpellBrite White. Now SpellBrite can illuminate your home and your life in ways you never could before. SpellBrite can be an expression of you, who you are, how you feel, what you value, and what inspires you. But for that, you definitely need color. With your support, we can expand the palette and the possibilities. SpellBrite can add a distinctive and elegant touch to your wedding, a spark to your fourth, or a glow of radiant color to your home's decor. SpellBrite's easily changeable and conveniently rearrangeable click-together letters can help you add a unique touch to your every celebration. And SpellBrite makes the perfect gift. The onboard dimming and animation controls add another level of customization and expression at the touch of a button. And you can take SpellBrite anywhere with our SpellBrite battery pack. So have some fun with SpellBrite. Bring your sign to your favorite ballpark, tailgating event, camp out, or anywhere you want to express your enthusiasm or personalize your space. Your support will bring SpellBrite to the next level, and by helping us, you'll also be helping yourself brighten up your life with your own SpellBrite sign or kit. Check out our rewards to find out how you can bring SpellBrite into your home or business by supporting us. SpellBrite is cool to the touch and draws less power than a 20-watt light bulb. So whether you use it to personalize a man cave, add fun to a child's bedroom, liven up a dorm room, or create calm in your personal sanctuary, you know it will be safer and more energy efficient. And did I mention it's durable? SpellBrite's click-together system makes changing and rearranging as easy as your only limitation is your own imagination. Be creative, have fun, inspire, and support SpellBrite as we expand the limits of expression, celebration, decor, and function by illuminating life in a vibrant array of color. You can say anything with SpellBrite. What do you want to SpellBrite?